Welcome back to School's Challenge Quiz. You are watching the third match here in round 1. Scores are Camperdown high on 7, Meadowbrook high on 4. So you'll have noticed before the break it was 6-4, but that's just because the last question that Camperdown asked, which was passed, was not reflected. So that's 7 for them. Meadowbrook high, however, unfortunately lost a point. The answer given to what was the name of the king of Judea at the time of Jesus' birth, they said Herod the Great, and it's actually Herod Antipas. So the judges have taken away that point. So it's 7-4 as we get into the speed challenge, in which teams can answer as many questions as possible during 3 separate 60-second periods. Camperdown high, you won the toss, decided to go first. It's time for your first minute. In the Bible, who was also called Didymus?
Thomas.
That's right. What is the rarest human blood type?
Race. So AB positive. AB positive.
AB negative. What is the plural form of sister-in-law?
Sisters-in-law.
That's right. Who is the founder and CEO of Island Grill, Jamaica?
All right. Yes.
That's right. What country is called the land of white elephants?
Thailand.
That's right. In which continent can you find at least 90% of the world's glaciers?
Glaciers.
North America.
Antarctica. To what specific instrument family does the saxophone belong?
Wind.
Woodwind. Which gas law states that the pressure exerted by a gas is inversely proportional to the volume occupied by it?
Boy's law.
That's right. What is the HCF of 256 and 512?
256 and 512. 256.
That's right. Who is the director of the film Tenet?
Tenet.
Christopher Nolan. In what year did Jamaica become a member of the short-lived West Indies Federation?
1958.
Correct. Virat Kohli plays international cricket for which country? Correct. Complete the formula. Power equals work divided by... Time came. Not sure if it was before the bell. Judges, that's in your hands. It's been accepted. Okay, good. That's your first minute. Camperdown, well done. Meadowbrook, coming over to you now. Time for your first minute.
That's good.
In the Bible, in which river was Jesus baptized?
Jordan.
That's right. How many main blood groups are there in humans?
4.
Correct. What is the plural form of sheep?
Sheep.
That's right. Who was the founder of the JMMB group in Jamaica? Joan Duncan. What country, based on the 2022 World Happiness Report, was the happiest country in the world?
Australia.
Finland. The world's ice sheets are confined to what country and continent, respectively?
Iceland, Europe.
Greenland and Antarctica. To what instrument family does the cello belong?
Cello.
Woodwind.
String. Which gas law states that the total number of molecules of a gas is directly proportional to the volume occupied by the gas at constant temperature?
Avogadro's.
That's correct. What is the HCF of 660 and 780?
120. 120.
60. Who is the director of the film Extraction?
Extraction. Elvis? Pass.
Sam Hargrave. In what year did Trinidad and Tobago become a member of the West Indies Federation?
1968.
61. In which, and that's the bell. Well done, Meadowbrook, for your first minute. Camperdown.